The villages are a smart choice for homeowners who want ventilation, privacy, and year-round curb appeal, and awning window replacement in the villages Florida can dramatically improve both comfort and property value. When existing units stick, leak, fog up, or no longer seal properly, awning window installation and replacement becomes the fastest path to a cleaner, safer, more efficient home. The village's home window replacement experts can assess frame condition, glass performance, and structural fit to determine whether full-service window replacement or a targeted upgrade is best. For many homes, new awning windows for homes deliver a modern look, smoother operation, and better protection against Florida weather, especially when paired with professional window installation and certified residential window installers. Energy-efficient awning windows are a major priority for homeowners seeking lower cooling costs in Central Florida, and the village's Florida energy-efficient window upgrades can make a noticeable difference during long hot seasons. Low-E glass awning windows, double-pane awning windows, and triple-pane awning windows help reduce heat transfer while improving indoor comfort. For even stronger performance, impact-resistant awning windows and weatherproof awning windows provide added durability in storm-prone areas. Many residents choose sealed awning window units because they reduce drafts and improve insulation. With residential awning windows the village's Florida, homeowners can combine style and efficiency, while residential glass replacement the village's Florida supports long-lasting performance and better overall energy control. Custom awning window replacement is ideal when standard sizes do not match existing openings, especially in older properties or during exterior window renovation projects. The village's Florida custom window installation services can create a precise fit for unique openings, renovated layouts, or updated architectural styles. Homeowners often request vinyl awning window replacement for low upkeep and strong weather resistance, while replacement awning window frames can restore stability when the original frame is damaged. The village's Florida low-maintenance awning windows the villages are especially popular for busy households that want easy cleaning and dependable function. When paired with awning window retrofit solutions, these upgrades can transform the appearance and performance of a home without requiring a complete structural overhaul. Broken awning window replacement is a practical necessity when glass is cracked, seals fail, or hardware wears out, and awning window installation the village's Florida services help restore function quickly. The village's awning window glass replacement can address fogged panes, chips, or shattered sections before damage spreads further. For homes with aging systems, awning window maintenance and replacement may include new locks, hinges, operators, screens, and frame restoration. Awning window frame replacement the villages is often recommended when rot, corrosion, or warping has compromised the opening. Reliable house window replacement contractors and residential awning window installers can inspect each component and recommend the most cost-effective option, whether that means partial installation or a full replacement awning window frame solution. Local homeowners looking for convenience often search for awning window installers near the villages, and trusted window replacement company the village's Florida providers can simplify the process from estimate to installation. The village's awning window replacement contractors and residential window contractors in Sumter County offer home window replacement services tailored to local climate conditions and neighborhood styles. Awning window services in Central Florida should include measurement, product selection, removal, installation, sealing, and cleanup for a smooth experience. Whether the project involves awning window replacement services Sumter County, Florida or the village's awning windows installation near me, certified residential window installers ensure a proper fit, clean finish, and dependable long-term operation for every opening. Modern awning window upgrades are popular among homeowners who want a refreshed look with practical performance benefits, and the village's exterior home window replacement projects often start with these versatile units. Awning windows are especially useful in kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms, and compact spaces where top-hinged ventilation is valuable. Residential awning window pricing. The villages can vary based on glass type, frame material, size, and installation complexity, but the value is clear when the result is better airflow, stronger security, and improved aesthetics. Replacement windows for homes in the villages often include sleek profiles, improved locking systems, and energy-saving features that support a more comfortable living environment throughout every season. Florida residential awning window specialists understand the demands of humidity, sun exposure, and storm conditions, which is why the village's Florida weather-resistant windows are a smart long-term investment. Awning window installers near the villages can recommend products designed to resist warping, fading, and moisture damage while maintaining smooth operation. For homeowners seeking stronger storm protection, impact-resistant awning windows and weatherproof awning windows offer an excellent combination of performance and peace of mind. Residential awning window pricing. The villages may also reflect upgrades such as reinforced frames, better seals, and advanced glass packages. Choosing the right house window replacement contractors means getting windows that look great and perform reliably in the Florida climate. The village's Florida double-pane window replacement is often the starting point for homeowners who want better insulation, quieter interiors, and more consistent indoor temperatures. Double-pane awning windows and low-E glass awning windows work together to improve efficiency while maintaining clear views and natural light. In some cases, triple-pane awning windows are selected for maximum thermal performance and noise reduction. These upgrades are especially beneficial for residential awning windows. The village's Florida, where heat and sun can place constant strain on older glass. With professional window installation, homeowners gain tighter seals, stronger performance, and a more polished finish that supports long-term value and daily comfort. Full-service window replacement is the best option when multiple openings are failing, and awning window replacement services can be bundled with other home window replacement services for a consistent upgrade across the property. The village's Florida house window retrofit projects often include new awning windows for homes that need improved efficiency without extensive remodeling. Residential glass window replacement, sealed awning window units, and awning window frame replacement. The villages all play a role in restoring the look and function of aging windows. The village's home window replacement experts can also recommend awning window retrofit solutions for homeowners who want to preserve existing openings while improving insulation, durability, and appearance with modern, custom-fit products. Awning windows. The village's homeowners choose often deliver better ventilation, cleaner curb appeal, and stronger performance for year-round Florida weather. Energy-efficient awning windows, low-E glass awning windows, double-pane awning windows, and triple-pane awning windows are ideal for residential awning windows. The village's Florida properties that need comfort, efficiency, and style. New awning windows for homes can also support modern awning window upgrades, weatherproof awning windows, and the village's Florida energy-efficient window upgrades for improved savings and reduced outdoor noise. Awning window replacement in the village's Florida is a smart choice for homeowners needing awning window installation and replacement, broken awning window replacement, or full-service window replacement from a trusted window replacement company. The village's Florida. The village's awning window replacement contractors and house window replacement contractors can handle replacement awning window frames, sealed awning window units, and awning window frame replacement. The village's projects with precision. For Florida residential awning window specialists, awning window maintenance and replacement often includes residential glass window replacement, residential glass replacement. The village's Florida, and the village's awning window glass replacement. Residential awning window installers and certified residential window installers provide professional window installation for custom awning window replacement, vinyl awning window replacement, and impact-resistant awning windows designed for storm-ready performance. The village's Florida custom window installation services are especially valuable for homeowners seeking replacement windows for homes in the village's Florida low-maintenance awning windows, and Florida residential awning window specialists who understand humidity, heat, and weather exposure. Awning window retrofit solutions can also upgrade older openings without a full exterior window renovation. Home window replacement services in Central Florida should include awning window services in Central Florida, residential window contractors in Sumter County, and local awning window installers. The villages for fast, dependable results. The village's home window replacement experts can assist with awning window installers near the villages. Awning windows installation near me. the Village's exterior home window replacement, and the Village's Florida house window retrofit options. Whether you need residential awning window pricing, the Villages, or guidance on awning window replacement services, Sumter County, Florida, a qualified team can streamline the process. Awning window installation. The Villages, Florida can cover leaking frames, worn seals, and damaged hardware before a full replacement becomes necessary. For homeowners comparing awning window maintenance and replacement, modern options include weather-resistant frames, custom sizes, and sealed awning window units engineered for Florida conditions. The Village's Florida weather-resistant windows and the Village's Florida double-pane window replacement options help improve insulation, durability, and day-to-day usability in residential settings. Exterior window renovation. With awning window replacement services in the Villages, Florida can transform older homes into efficient, attractive properties with a cleaner finish. Residential awning windows. The Villages, Florida installations are available in impact-resistant awning windows, low-E-glass awning windows, triple-pane awning windows, and vinyl awning window replacement styles to match different budgets and performance goals. For awning window services in Central Florida, awning windows. The Village's installation near me searches often lead to experienced, certified residential window installers who deliver lasting results.